Today you have to show the rational number on the number line. Before that I will explain what is the meaning of the number line and what is the value of the each and every point present on the number line. Just you have to see on the board that number line means the line which represent the number is called as the number line. Here one of the line is given. This is the origin. These are the to the right of the origin all the numbers are positive. To the left of the origin all the numbers are negative. Here is 0, here is 1. In between 0 and 1 the division is the 0 to 1 distance is divided into the parts. This is the first part, this one is the second part, this one is the third part. 1 to 2 is divided into again three equal parts. This one is first part, second part and third part. And this 2 to 3 is also divided into 3 equal parts. This one is first part, second part and third part. 3 to 4 is also divided into the 3 equal parts. Like that 0 to minus 1 is divided into 3 equal parts. Minus 1 to minus 2 is divided into 3 equal parts. And minus 3 to minus 4 is also divided into 3 equal parts. Then what is the value of the one digit? So I will write, if I will say that what is the value of this point at that time, I will say that this value will come 1 upon 3. Because out of 3, 1, 2, 3, out of 3, first part, so your value will come 1 upon 3. Then this value you have to find out. What value of this point will come? Out of 3, you have to find the value of this second point, so 2 upon 3 will come. Then what is the value of this one? This I will write this will come 1. How this will come 1? This will come 3 upon 3. Out of the three parts, third part you have to take. This will come 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 1 upon is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 will come. Everybody understand? Means this value of this point A will come 1 upon 3. Value of this point B will come 2 upon 3. Value of this point C will come 1. Then what is the value of this point D? If you want to find out the value of the point D, then from 0 directly you have to go to the 1. So you have to write 1 whole. And what is the value of this? What is the value of this first point? This will come 1 whole, 1 upon 3. What is the value of this point will come? E point value will come. E is equal to 1 whole. What you have to say? After 1, this is the second point. So you have to say there 2 upon 3. And if this will come 2. This will come 2. And after that, this value of this point will come 2 whole, 1 upon 3. This point value will come, what will come? This 2 whole, 2 upon 3, like that values will come. Everybody understand? So in this way I will say that value of this point you have to write. At that time I will say that minus 1 upon 3. Value of this point what will come? Minus 2 upon 3. Value of this point will come minus 1. 3 upon 3 means minus 1. Then here value of this point will come minus 1 whole, 1 upon 3. Value of this point will come, what value will come? Minus 1 whole, 2 upon 3. Value of this point you have to find out. At that time from 0, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upon 3 is equal to, this value will come 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 is equal to minus 2 will come. Understand? Value of this point you have to find out. What value will come? You have to say minus 2 whole. First point is there. After minus 2, my first point, and out of this 3 you have to take 1. Means what you have to say? Minus 2 whole, 1 upon 3. You have to find out the value of this point. At that time what will come? Minus 2 whole, 2 upon 3. Second point from minus 2. In this way you have to say the position of the points on the number line. If I divide this 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. If I divide this 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, I will say this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. In the same manner. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 2. I have to write the value of each and every point. So, what after 0, what is the value of this point? This will come 1 upon 4. Out of 4, first part. Then this value will come 2 upon 4. This value will come 3 upon 4. This value will come 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to what will come 1. You have to find out the value of this point. That time what value will come? This will come 1 whole. 1 whole in between 1 and 2. How many lines are? How many gaps are there? 4 equal parts are there. Out of that, after 4, after 1, which part you are there at that time? First part. So you have to say that 1 whole 1 upon 4. Everybody understand? Then you have to find out the position of this point. What will come? 2 whole 1 upon 2 whole 2 upon 3. 2 upon 4, not 4, 3. What is the position of this point will come? This will come 3 whole 3 upon 4. 1 whole, this will come 1 whole 2 upon 4. This will come 1 whole 3 upon 4. In this way you will get the values. If you want to find out the value of this point, at that time you will write value 2 whole 1 upon 4. This you have to find out. At that time you will write 2 whole 2 upon 4. Like that you will find out each and every value. This point you have to find out what will come. Minus 1 whole. This is the second point from minus 1. So you have to say that 2 upon 4. In this way you have to note the points on the number line. Everybody understand? Try to understand these things. How much part in between 0 to 1 you will take, that you have to write to the denominator. From the 0, this is the first part 1 upon 4. This is the second part 2 upon 4. This is third part 3 upon 4. This is the fourth part 4 upon 4. This is after 1 whole 1 upon 4. You will write this as 5 upon 4 also. 5 upon 4 is same as 1 whole 1 upon 4. This 6 upon 4 is same as this one is 1. This one is 1 whole 2 upon 4, and this one is 7 upon 4. This will come 1 whole 3 upon 4. In this way you have to write the coordinates of the point and try to understand each and everything properly. Thank you.